I've got to go. Did I do this? Screw it up?
Let's let it go now. Has to be time.
Come be our CEO.
Yeah, okay.
It was the stylus, John.
What?
I killed a Newton because of the stylus. If you're holding a stylus, you can't use the other 5 that are attached to your wrist. Things we could have done together.
God, the things I could have done.